Yeah, hey, is your mom there? Yeah, I don't care what she's doing. You go get her, okay? Hey, it's me. Things cool down there yet? Have you cooled down yet? Huh? Look, yeah, I want to come home. Yeah, I've tried to be patient, but you can't keep me out of my own goddamn home. Okay, what do you want me to say, huh? Just because I don't talk about my feelings doesn't mean I don't have any, huh? Don't ask questions you don't want the answers to, okay? Oh, man. You're not going to be happy until I'm groveling for you, huh? Yeah. Well, I don't grovel for nobody, okay? Hello?